Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear the sound of your own voice?
Yeah.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Now, technically, it's like
Yeah.
is it loud or just like I will wait. Like, there's a lot of feedback. But I heard the feedback.
How are you feeling right now? Yeah. That's the best part of this.
Yeah.